I know that coping can't be easy.
That's an understatement.
But when those wear off, and they will, whatever is bothering you is still going to be there.
I'm ready to go. I'm ready to go.
Can we please just skip ahead to the end?
Can't do it alone. I'm ready to run.
I am so ready for this to be over.
Can't do it alone. Can't do it alone. I'm ready to fall. So tired of it all.
I'm fine. I'm just really tired, that's all.
Can't do it alone. I'm ready to climb this mountain inside.
It's been very nice not being Spencer Hastings.
Said you'd always be my white blood. Circulate the right love. Giving me your white blood.
I can't sleep, okay?
I need you right here with me. Said you'd
I'm
always
just really
be
tired of living in a state of
my white
permanent
blood.
anxiety.
Elevate my soul above. Giving me your white blood.
I just gave up.
I need you right here with me. Here with me.
You know, when I was down there, I kept thinking if we could just make it out, if we could just survive and get out, then everything was gonna be all right. And then we did. And I don't see a happy ending coming anytime soon.
I'm ready to go. I'm ready to go. Can't do it alone. Can't
But if
do
I
it
saw you hurting,
alone.
the way that I know that you saw
Through
me,
the heat of the sun. Can't do it alone. Can't do it alone. I'm ready to hope. Swing me out of the low. Wide awake.
You promised.
Can't do it alone.
you promised you wouldn't go back to this again.
Uncover the light. Impossible height.
You just tell me that what I saw tonight wasn't real.
Said you'd always be my white blood. Circulate the right love. Giving
Just tell me that
your
there's more to the
white
story.
blood. I need you
Maybe there's
right
something that
here
I don't
with
know.
me. Said you'd always be my white blood. Elevate my soul above. Giving me your white blood.
My mind won't shut off.
I need you right here with me.
I just want to quiet the noise.
I need you right here with
I
me.
need to quiet the noise.